Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on my first acrylic sets. Here, as you can see, I'm using my nail forms from Young Nails that I got from my local supply store. They weren't too much. They were about $20 for 500. Okay, as you can see, my nails are very short and bitten, but I still get the job done. Okay, now that the nail form is on correctly, I'll be using my nail dehydrator to dry out any type of oils and anything for my nails. I already prepped my nails already. Next, you will see I will be using my extra bond from Mia's Secret. This is used to hold the acrylic to your regular nail. Applying a nice little coat of that, waiting for it to dry. Okay, now I will begin to apply the acrylic by dipping it into my liquid monomer, sliding the brush on the side and dipping 1, 2, 3 times. Let it form a jelly. Place the bead down on the nail and smooth out to satisfaction. I'm just a beginner with acrylic. I usually use polygel, but I want to try something different. So please bear with me, guys. I love you all. Now I'm going to allow you all to watch the video in silence because I love watching videos in silence. Honestly, it's so soothing and calming. Please enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up for more tutorials and notifications. Thank you. Growth is good, girls. I'm hungry though. Like I love done. I'm willing to move on past it. And I'm willing to. You willing to? Should we hug? I think you guys should hug it out. I love you, babe. See, this is exactly what it's all about. Hugging each other, loving each other, and forgiving each other. This is all about the what? The power. Forget about fighting over men. Forget about fighting over anything. We women can stick together and make it happen on our own. And action, ladies. You up with me like my daddy. Don't need no other daddy. What's up with you, boy? I'm gonna tell you, boy. I don't need no daddy. I don't need no daddy. Hey. I don't need no daddy. So please tell me what these folks saying not true. They talking about you don't have sex with Mariah before. Hey. Lovely Mimi told me that you and Mariah had sex with each other. Please tell me that ain't true. Mariah, oh, so you had sex with Shooter? Don't come out anyway. You're not gonna say your part. Lovely Mimi told me that you and Mariah had sex with each other. Please tell me that ain't true. Please answer me. It didn't go just like that. So you did? So you had sex with Mariah? You Mariah before? You don't even explain myself? No, you ain't got to say to me. You can't explain nothing. I don't even know you no more. Like, who are you? I made a mistake, but me and Mariah might have a little thing going on, but it was nothing like that. I got her a job at the glam shop, put money in her pocket. Hell, she want to return the favor. All I can think of is Mariah trying to be back with her. I wouldn't invest in her club. Listen. I'm ready to go. You gonna listen? You gonna listen while I'm trying to talk? Oh, so you had sex with Shooter?
Now I understand that 911 text from Sierra. I was just threatening you. I wasn't really gonna say nothing, but you told? What an idiot. We before? That's what you're saying?
This gonna come out anyway.
So you gonna throw me under the bus? You're not gonna say your part.
You better watch your mouth.
Watch my mouth. You started. What are you saying?
I don't do like that.
That's what we do now. That's what we do now.
Do like that.
Is y'all for real? I stood by your side all these years. You got kids, baby mama drama that I deal with, all this shit that I put up from you, and you had the fucking nerve to cheat on me with the help. So you better go out there. came on to me. I just saw the opportunity knocking, and I thought, why not make some money off of this? But his line, whatever the I want to do. Y'all like this? Keep running, bitch.
This is the time for you to really grow up. Because if this is not what you're ready to do, then let it go.
You miss me?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, sorry. Never gonna hurt y'all again. I know you want me back home, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Charlie?
Connie, hey, my favorite girl.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
My life has been a living hell this week since I found out that my husband and my assistant has been having an affair behind my back. Of course, Mariah don't work anymore, and I kick shooter ass out of my house. But I'm at work trying my best to hold it together, and I'm actually glad to see a friendly face.
Melissa, you know Melissa's a good friend of mine. She told me that you guys were at y'all some video shit.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, girl. So, it went down. So, I told you about Lovely Mimi, right?
Yeah, you told me about her. She the one that came and was doing nails in your shop.
Yes, honey. Me and her do not get along. So, at the video shoot, girl, she blurted out in a little nice, nasty way. I just thought maybe I'll tell you that Mariah is f***ing your husband. I call my husband, like, I need you to pull up on me right now. So, I call Mariah. Like, hey, girl, I'm at this little event doing this little video shoot. Pull up on me real quick. Bring your ass up here. She's like, okay. So, she thinks kids together. And for Mariah, I treat her like family. For them to do something like that to me, it hurts me to my core.
That's my family a lot. Any chance I get quality time with them, I'm gonna take advantage of it. Even if that means I'm going home with a few broken bones. So be it. How you been? High school? You still passing PE?
Nope.
What kind of kid pass everything except PE?
I hate it. I don't just silence now.
But PE? All the kids pass? Great.
And what is going on here? I invited KK to roll through and stamp the fruits of my labor. She's always encouraged me to be my best self, so I think she's going to be really proud of me starting my own legitimate business venture.
I'm going to leave you two alone. Show her how to make wine and enjoy yourself.
Thank you,
Okay,
Dad.
Tommy called me this morning and proudly announced she was manufacturing wine and wanted me to come try it out. Now, you know the first thing that came to my mind that don't make no kind of sense. You know I want baby girl to win, but how do you have a drinking problem and decide to sell wine? A crack addict ain't never make a fortune selling crack. I'm so proud of you. This is progression.
Ever! I carry everybody weight on my back, and I drink to deal. Yes, it's nothing wrong with that, okay? I drink to soothe a lot of outside noise, and there's nothing wrong with somebody. Some people can't help me. You want to know why? Because they not me. Everybody on something. I want wine, my. I don't give a about what nobody talking about. Feel comfortable with? I would love to invite my mother in such a special moment, of course, but.
Alright you guys, here's the finished look. Yes, it looks very bad because again, this is my first time trying acrylic, but don't worry, trust the process, because if you have an e-file or a square file, a hand file, it can get perfect. I will show the end results at the end of this video. Okay? I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair and nail tutorials. Thank you. Here is the end result before I filed my nails. And here is after I filed my nails and decorated with rhinestones. And these here are the products that I use. Happy holidays, you guys. Thank you. Baby.